Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see how we can sort table in Microsoft Word. Right, so this is my sample table. It contains name of student, roll number and percentage. Now let us say I want to sort this table based on roll number. So what do? I select the entire table by moving to the top left corner and clicking on this table icon. Go to layout tab to sort this table. Now in the layout tab, to the extreme right you will see this data group, and here you will see sort. Now just click on that to sort the table, and now it will give you a couple of options. It will give the column name by which we want to sort. Here it will automatically detect that the student, roll number and percentage is my column. Let us say I want to sort this table by roll number. Once I select roll number, this type will automatically get converted into number because Microsoft Word can detect that the roll number column has numbers. So it will change from text to number. And if I just go to student column, then it will understand that all the student column is having text. So this type gets automatically detected and it will be changed to text. Let us say I want to sort this table by roll number. So I'll just select the roll number column in sort by, and then I'll select numbers. I'll just keep this as paragraph, and now I have a couple of options. First option is ascending order, so it will put the lowermost number at the top and the higher number at the bottom. And if I select descending, so it will keep a larger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. So for time being, I'm just going to sort it in the ascending order of roll number. And now here you also have an option whether to include the header text or not. So if you are having a header row, then you just have to click on header row. My list has header row. And if you don't have any header row, then you have to select my list has no header row. Right now I am having a header row. If I click OK, I'll get this table sorted based on roll numbers. Now let us say if I want to sort this table based on percentage, then I'll again repeat the same procedure and go to layout tab and then click on sort. And now here instead of roll number, I can just select percentage. Now there is one more option, that if there is a tie between two things, two text or two numbers, for example 80%, that is appearing twice. So this is by John Smith and David Taylor, both have 80%. In that case, which one should be above and which one should be below? And for that we have then by option. Now if there is a tie, then we can select a second level of sorting. Suppose if there is a tie in percentage, I want to sort student based on roll number, then I'll just select roll number here, and then I'll sort percentage in a descending order. That means the higher percentage will be at the top and lower percentage students will be at the bottom. And now if there is a tie, then I want to sort them by roll number, and that will be in the ascending order. Then even if there is a tie, I think then you can proceed with the third level of sorting. Now I'll just select this row header because I have row header here, and then I'll just proceed. In the case of tie, as I've selected ascending roll number, that's why John Smith is coming first. This is how you sort a table in Microsoft Word. It gives you option to have multiple level of sorts, that is up to 3 level. That's all in this video. If you like my video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more such videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell notification icon, so that whenever I publish a new video, you get a notification and you don't miss any of my future videos. So thank you friends for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.